Let's do the potatoes first. Easy peasy, right? See? Yes. So you have the potatoes, and then oh yeah, this is like really perfect for making like fries. See? And then next, let's do the carrots. I'm using the slicer. So you could dice, you could slice, you could like grate. This is the slicer. This one. This is 8-in-1 vegetable chopper and slicer. So you have this like 8. So let's put this here. And then we have this one too, but we don't need that yet. So this is like really great for zucchini too, or cucumber. If you want to make cucumber salad, then this is like really perfect too. And then when it's like smaller, for safety, we can use this one. Now let's do the onions. We need like diced onions. There you go. Just one push, and you don't have to worry about like the thing that makes you cry from like chopping the onions. See? So this is ready. I find this really helpful for like onions. Now you don't have to worry about like the thing that makes you cry when you're chopping the onions. It has almost been a month now since I first used this to chop the onion, but this has been one of my favorite kitchen gadgets these days. This was given to me by Ourokhome. So if you have, this is the brand. So if you have a need for this, check them out. The link is down below if you're interested. I really like this. If you don't have one yet, make sure you get one. This is like a really nice kitchen gadget.